ripe banana. Just plop it in. One scoop of vanilla ice cream. 100 ml of vanilla ice cream. Now blend it. Double cream and sugar. Now make it into whipped cream. Whipped cream done, and now you can lick it. Now the banana milkshake is ready. Now you can drink it. Now put whipped cream on top. And now decorate it. Done. Now let's check it out.
That's pretty nice.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Bye.